So you're welcome to another video. We are told to solve for the value of x in this exponential equation. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution, where we're going to find the value of x. So if you're watching us for the first time, and if the first time you watching us, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. So straight away, let us dive into the equation and find the solution. I'm being told that 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x is equals to 100. I'm going to treat 5 raised to x as a common term, which is similar. So when you add 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x, of course, you're going to get 2 5 raised to x. Of course, they are similar. So it is 2 is equals to 100. Well, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides so that I get 5 raised to x is equals to 50. And it's still an exponential equation with the power as x. So for me to eliminate it, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides so that the log of 5 raised to x is equals to 50, the log of 50. So using the log of a raised to n, this can be simplified as n to the log of a. The power just comes down so that I have x to the log of 5 is equals to the log of 50. Well, I'm going to take the log of 5 on the other side. So I'm going to divide. So now x now becomes the log of 50 divided by the log of 5. It looks amazing. How do I write 50? I'm going to write 50 in terms of its factors. I'm going to write it as 5 squared times 2. Of course, 5 squared is 25 times 2 is 50. So that x becomes the log of 5 squared times 2 divided by the log of 5. So that I'm going to get x now becomes the log, of course, when you multiply the numbers whose base is the same, then this just means you can separate by adding the logs. So that is log 5 squared plus log 2. Remember, everything was under log 5, so I'm going to separate each to be log 5, log 5. So meaning, I'm going to write it as x is equals to the power going to come down. So 2 going to come down like that. Then divide by the log of 5 plus the log of 2 divided by the log of 5. So well, you realize that log 5 and log 5 are going to cancel, and then I'm going to get x is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 divided by the log of 5. You also need to recall that when you have the log of a over the log of b, this can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So b is going to be the base. So that means my final answer for x becomes 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5 as the final answer for the value of x. So we're going to verify our answer. If indeed the value of x is equals to 2 plus log 2, recall that our equation was 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x is equals to 100. So here there is x, I'm going to put 2 plus log 2 base 5. Of course, 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x was 2. 5 raised to x. So where there is x, I'm going to put, so it's going to be 2 into 5 raised to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. Should give me 100. So here I'm adding the powers, meaning I can separate by multiplying the bases. Is equals to 100. You also need to recall that when you have the log of a raised to b base a, since the bases are the same, then this just gonna be b. So doing that, then now my x gonna be 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 multiplied by, of course, this and this, the base is the same, gonna give me 2 equal to 100. So, well, I know that is 2 multiplied by 5 squared is 25, then multiply by 2. What do you think? If you multiply 2 times 25 times 2, of course that is 50, multiply by 2, of course it is giving me 100, which is a perfect solution. Remember, we were verifying. Indeed, it tells us that x, so of course that is the value of x for our initial problem. You can recall we started by solving the value of x. It was 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x is equals to 100, of which we collected the like terms like that, and then we introduced logs at that stage. So I hope you've learned. Thanks for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, also view our playlist. Thank you.